Hi Dress It Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Cupid to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw Cupid, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now with my two circles in, I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have my eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them a little bit just with some lashes. Maybe just two of them right here on the sides. There. And then let's go above his eyes, go about right here, and we're going to just draw a soft curve over his eye for his brow. And same thing on the other side. So about right here. There. Then from there, let's give him a sweet smile. So right about here, in between the eyes, we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve so it goes upward, cap it off on both sides. There. From there, let's go ahead and frame his face with the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come to the top of his eye, come really close to the lashes. So say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and same thing over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just draw the shallow bottom of a U. I'm just going to go around the eyes. And let's say about right here. I'm going to find my center. I'm just going to say about right here. I'm just kind of imagining this curve. Oops. And I'm going to aim towards that point for my bottom of the U. So definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to draw this curve. There. So I'm just making the face a lot wider, make it more cartoony. Okay, so now that I have the face in, I'm going to bring it up just a tiny bit more on both sides, and then we're going to draw his hair. So I'm just going to have curls coming above his eyes. So I'm just going to find my center, say about right here, right in the center. I'm going to start, and I'll part his hair right in the center, and I'll just draw one big curl first and one here as well, just to make it extra cute. And then we're going to draw some curves like right here and taper it off and come in. Same thing here, curve and taper in. There, just to make it extra cute and silly. Then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to once again come up, find my center, so nice and high, let's say about right here. Just easier for my hands to go down. And we're going to just draw a curve, a bunch of curves that come down to about right here. So we're just drawing his hair now, and we're just going to poof it out. Maybe right here you can put in a curl if you like, and just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. So I come down, give it a little curl, and we want to come down to about right here, just like the other side, and in. There. Okay, so then now that we have his fancy hairstyle in, we're going to come over here and draw his ears. So about right here, just going to tuck in the curve for his ears, and same thing here. Tuck in a curve. There. I'll just draw in a line right here, just for some detail. And then we can go ahead and draw his body. So about right here, we're going to come to this side a little bit more, say maybe the center of his eye. And then I'm going to come right here and draw a curve coming down. And then the other side is going to come in a little bit, so say about right here. I'm going to draw a curve coming out. So this one is a little bit rounder, and the reason is because we need to draw this arm. So I'm going to bend this, I'm going to curve this down, and here we go. Let's go ahead and come back to about right here, the thickness of our arm, so about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, and as we come to about right here, I'm going to stop because I need to put a little hand right here. So I'm going to pop out a thumb, and then the fingers are going to be a little bit flatter, and then bring it in. And come in here, little detail, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect this. So nice and round and connect for his hands. There. Then we're going to come back to about right here. We're going to start to draw the back. So we're just going to curve, and this is going to curve out for his tummy area. There. So it's just a very cartoonish way of drawing the body. And let's say about right there, we're going to go ahead and connect. So a curve that goes up about right here. Oh, looks like a little baby, right? And then we're going to continue this out. We're going to continue this down. So we're just going to go back and forth. So then about right here, I'm going to come back to this spot right here. We're going to draw his bottom. I'm going to come down with a big curve. And say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and then curve out. So this is for his bottom right there. And then we're going to draw his legs. So this is where it splits out. So we're going to come right here. And let's draw this little foot. And we're going to draw a tiny little foot. We're going to come out with a heel, come down. And this is just going to smoothly come in and connect. And then this side is going to come down. This is going to continue. So just like the other side, see about right there. You're going to come out over the little heel, come down, and smooth this out, and then just connect. So our goal is to kind of make it the same size, so try our best. There. So now we have his tiny little feet in. Let's see here. We need to draw this bow that he's holding. So I'm going to come, let's see here. Let's come make this a little bit easier. I'm going to come right here in between where the thumb and the fingers are. In this little groove, I'm going to come out with the arrow. So I'm just going to bring this out. So about right here. So I'm just going to try my best to make this angled out right here, straight as possible. And then from there, I'm going to come close to his ear because I don't have much room to play around with. I'm just going to, because I don't want the bow hitting his body, just to make it easier. So I'm going to come about right here. Come here, and I'm going to draw our bow. I'm going to come up close to his ear. I'm going to curve, come down right there. So just give this little curve around and bring it in. Take a little more angle toward his ear. There, since I have some room. And then from there, we're going to draw the bottom. So it's the same thing. We're going to curve. And then we're going to bring this down enough. So come down. And about right there. Once again, we're going to curve right here. And we're going to curve in and then come out. And about right here, we're just going to go ahead and connect it. So for the body of our bow. So then right here. There. So we have this shape, and then we're going to come right here and connect the best we can to the top of our bow here. So whatever space you have, go ahead without hitting the head. Just going to draw that angle, and then just imagine it's all coming from here. So bring down and come down. There. So I have my string, and then let's see here. We have to draw this arm in the back. So I'm going to come right here and bring a curve down. So that's why you can't bring it out too much, because the arm, or else the arms would be really long, right? But then we need to bring it out enough so that it doesn't hit the head. So just like right around the ear. Okay, so then about right here, just finish up this arm, bring it in, and then right in here, we're just going to draw a curve, just a little indication of the hand. Nothing fancy. And then from there, we can go ahead and right here, we're going to draw. Let's see, I'm going to come out straight ahead and say about right here, I'm going to draw a heart. So definitely turn your body if you need to. Make it easier, or the paper, to draw this heart. There. So we have our arrow. That's a heart right at the tip. And I'll thicken this up right there. So hopefully it's still cute. It still makes sense, kind of. There. And that is pretty much it, except now we need to add some wings, right? So I'm looking at my camera, bring this in a little bit more, and let's add some wings. So let's come to about right here where the face is, and we're going to come out, curve it out, and bring it in. I'm just going to draw a simple pair of wings, and then we're just going to curve and bring it in. Right here. And then the back. So same thing here. There. And now we have wings, and we are pretty much set, I think, and complete with our Cupid here. And of course that means we should draw some hearts around him, right? And maybe one here. And that is it. I really hope you love my version here of Cupid, and that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.